Alphabetical.
Can I ask that if teams have demonstrations they'd like to do, they start talking and start the demonstration at the same time and then describe their demonstration? Because 3 minutes is not a long time, and if people start talking, they generally don't stop in 3 minutes. So then you don't actually get to demonstrate, and that's unfortunate.
Hello, I'm from MiPal in Griffith, Australia. We're doing posture recognition on the Aibo. So the idea here is we've got a penalty kick situation, except to show you that we're not using the ball, we're not using a ball. This Aibo is set up so that it will wait a random amount of time and then kick after I push this button. And the idea is that this Aibo will detect that this one is kicked and block the kick. And then after I've demonstrated that, so I'll demonstrate that first. Okay, so we're using a symmetry-based image recognition which detects the blobs and the color patches on the Aibo and does a symmetry analysis on it to determine when the kick happens. And it's easy to distinguish. It's easy to distinguish a kick from a walk. For example, I'll show you that the Aibo can walk. So it doesn't detect the walk, it just detects it when it's kicked. I have another Aibo somewhere, one of my teammates should have it, but they probably should have switched on. I wanted to show you that this works even when there are other robots on the field. So even when the visual scene gets a little more complicated, this technique still works. I might not wait for this one to be booted, I'll just put it on and make some of the patches visible. That might be, oh, there we go. He's watching the wrong dog at the moment, so I'll see. Yes, he looks at the largest dog because we think that's the attacker. You know, anything else red that it happens to see in the distance. So it's not easily confused even when there's more than one robot on the field. Have we got a ball? Okay, this dog isn't set up to be a ball chaser. It'll just ignore the ball basically and do a random kick anyway. But hopefully the goalkeeper will still be able to detect the kick. I hope. That was an accidental kick, but... sometimes. Okay, that's it.
Thank you very much for a well-timed presentation.
Anybody missing information sheet?
We have information sheets to hand out. If you're missing one, can you just put your hand up? Thanks. Okay,
Like
Aibo.
a gesture detection too.